I'm heading out to the fields.
May your day be filled with blessings.
We are almost there, friends.
Now we carefully seal the edges. Roll it out with a very light hand, and it is ready to be cooked. Namaste everyone and welcome to my kitchen. Today I am making fresh rotis on the open wood fire. It takes some practice perfectly round, but they taste. Making fresh parathas for lunch, nothing beats the taste of traditional cooking. If you like the video, then like my video, comment on the video, and subscribe to my channel.
Your total is 42.75.
Thank you so much.
Have a great day. Thank you for shopping with us today.
Thank you so much. Good morning. Lovely day, isn't it? These green chilies are perfectly fresh. A little bit of chaat masala makes everything taste so much better. Let's make some green chili pickle. Now we add a little bit of garam masala to make it tasty. First, we add a pinch of turmeric and mix it until it's smooth. Now we let it fry. First, we prepare the batter with fresh spices. Now we fry them until they are perfectly golden. First, we coat the chili. Make sure it's fully covered. Now, drop it in. Look at that perfect golden color. Today we are making crispy mirchi bhaji. Be very careful when you drop them in the hot oil.
Can I taste some of that fresh chutney?
Ah, this chili is incredibly hot. It is going to make a perfect sauce. There is nothing better than fresh spices. If you liked my video, then like my video.
Comment on my video, subscribe to my channel.